quite sure what those flickering lights are, but they've been chasing each other around for the last 15 or so minutes. And they're definitely not fireworks because they're way too high. They're not helicopters because they're moving way too fast in erratic patterns. As you can tell, my phone is kind of crappy, so if it's zoomed out max, you don't see it very well, and zoomed in it's kind of blurry. But at first I thought I was seeing reflections, and then I came out onto the balcony and I saw that it was actively two lights dancing around and chasing each other. The one kind of looks like a firefly, and the other one looks like a blue orb of I don't know what. Yeah, that's definitely neat, but also really confusing because I don't know what those lights are. At least I get to see the various firework displays that are on tonight from my balcony, including the ones that my neighbors in the building are letting off in the back of the building, which are so nicely lighting up my bedroom. I don't know if I can catch any on camera, so we're just going to pan over here, over where the Home Depot is. Nope, they stopped going. So we'll go back to the flickery lights. Still don't know what these are. I still think it's too early for the official fireworks to be going off, so I don't know if these are just really large displays that people in their communities are doing. But they seem to have been coming up on a consistent basis. So hopefully the big ones will be visible from here. And I hope everybody's having a good Victoria Day weekend. Where the flashlights are there. Yeah, still don't know what they are, but they're kind of pretty. Even if zoomed in, it looks really ridiculous.